Are you wondering how to celebrate Burns Night? Let's make some vegan haggis for the perfect Burns Night supper. First, take some warm water. Then, add some stock powder. Then give it a stir. Next, drain some tinned red kidney beans using a colander and tip them onto a plate. Mash these using a potato masher and then put them into a bowl. Tear up some mushrooms and add them to the bowl. Grate half a medium-sized carrot, then add this to the bowl. Then add some chopped hazelnuts. Add some porridge oats. Add some ground nutmeg and then add a few twists of black pepper. Use a pair of scissors to top and tail 2 spring onions and then cut them into pieces. Use your scissors to chop a handful of coriander in a bowl. Then add the coriander and the spring onions to the bowl. Now pour in the stock mixture that you made at the start and mix everything together. Place some baking cases onto a baking tray and then spray them with some oil. Then divide the mixture evenly into the cupcake cases. Pop these into the oven for 40 minutes. It's time to enjoy your vegan haggis. You could even serve this up with some neeps and tatties.